Hi, Vogue Australia. I'm Alycia Debnam-Carey and I'm in Sydney for the Cider Vinegar premiere, so come and get ready with me. So I'm here in Sydney getting ready for the Cider Vinegar premiere. I'm most excited to bring my family along to the premiere today. Very rare that I get to actually be in Sydney, which is really, really fun. I'm wearing a Dior dress today. I'm working with Dior as their ambassador here in Australia, which is really cool. It's a very relaxed, off the shoulder, a little bit more sexy, and we've got a classic Dior lady bag. It's more of an east-west though, and some Cartier jewelry. Let's finish getting ready, because believe it or not, this is not my final look. What is my getting ready routine? I'm so glad you asked. I mean, honestly, it's so boring. I listen to some pump-up music, and then a little glass of champagne before I go, just to calm the nerves a little bit. I mean, I should honestly be drinking more water. That's really what I should be doing. Hair and makeup today, we're doing a bit of a different thing for me. We're doing a more tight waterline liner and a bit more of a cool lined lip, some warmth in the cheeks, keeping it dewy always. Hair, we're going for a beautiful, just glossy, more polished, light wave, because the dress is a little bit more relaxed. It's hard to pick one thing to choose what was my favorite working on Cider Vinegar, because there was a lot. I mean, it's amazing getting to work back in Australia. Here we've got amazing crews and just beautiful actors. I also got to work with some friends of mine. The writer is incredible. Sam Strauss was fascinated by the story. Mila is an incredibly interesting, complex character. You know, she's the early era of social media and wellness influencer, that kind of early stages of Instagram, which was so new and fresh, and I think I'd grown up in that era, and so to play a character in that period of time is sort of new. The costumes for this show were so rooted in the 2010s. It's extraordinary to see just like really how entrenched we were in such a, like, so many weird trends, like the Aztec necklaces, and like cobalt blue was such a thing. I don't know why we were all so obsessed with it. I'm sure there is an opportunity to bring it into the press tour. Should I? Maybe not. But even on this show, there were a pair of amazing Marc Jacobs knee-high boots. I was like, oh my God, these are so good. I'll bring them home and then I'll be like, they're not mine. Like, they're the characters. And so I just feel like I can't wear them. The Dior style has a very classic feminine silhouette, which I think is very flattering. A little bit more relaxed off the shoulders. There's a bit more of an effortless sexiness to it. I guess a typical day off for me, if I'm being good, is I do my morning pages. I journal in the morning. I will then go for a workout, either Pilates or a gym, run, something like that. I'm trying to be better at learning how to cook in. Thing is, I never am prepared or organized, and so then I don't buy the ingredients, and so then it doesn't get done. I mean, obviously it looks beautiful. It's more just because it's different to me. It's more than what I would usually do.
We've never done a wet line.
We've never done a wet line. Here I am questioning my entire identity. You look amazing. You look amazing.
That dress on.
Okay, let's do it. This is what we're working with, which is beautiful. So, no, that sounds crazy. That sounds like I'm saying I feel like I'm beautiful.
You are beautiful.
Let's do that again.
Normalize saying you're beautiful.
Normalize self-love.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the final look, and thank you so much for coming and getting ready with me. I'm off.